guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today I will be showing you guys these lashes that I got from the TikTok shop. Yes, you heard it right, the TikTok shop. DIY lash kit at home. DIY lashes stitching kit. And this is the kit right here. I will be showing you guys how I slayed my lashes at home. You will get this nice natural look just like I got right here if you continue watching. But make sure you're subscribed to my channel first before you finish watching this video. Thank you in advance. But guys, look. I slayed these lashes at home. And you could do the same thing too. Continue watching and show me your outcome. Let's go. Okay, so this is the package right here. And yeah, we're gonna untake everything out and we're gonna do our lashes at home. So I got two different palettes. I got the I Slay, which comes with bottom lashes, light volume fans, spike fans, and 20D clusters. This is what they look like, and they're called I Slay. I will leave the description down below for these lashes. Well, you're gonna have to go on my TikTok. And then I have Flawless Drama Kit. This is the one we're gonna try today. Tells you the directions on the back. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is what it looks like. And it has different limbs. We're about to open it. It says easy, soft, and reuse. So let's get into it. DIY lash extension kit at home. Cluster lashes, lash bond and seal, and a lash applicator. Now I'm a lash tech, so if I can't get this right, something's wrong. Something is really wrong, and we about to slay these. So let's get into it. Okay, so step 1, curl your natural lashes with an eyelash curler. I ain't got no eyelash curler. Step 2, so we're gonna use this to brush them out. Step 2, apply a thin layer of cluster lash glue under natural lashes and wait 30 to 40 seconds for the glue to dry. Okay, then step 3, apply the eyelash clusters underneath your natural lashes 1 mm away from eyelids, so do not put it on your eyelid. And then fix cluster lashes and natural lashes with the applicator, squeeze them together, and then dab a thin layer of the sealant under the lashes. So we about to do this, and then when the next time we're gonna do the other kit, and I'm gonna let y'all know how long these goddamn lashes last, because they better last me a week, okay? So we gonna see. Yeah, they ain't give me no curler. I don't own no curler. I didn't know everybody got a lash curler, but it did come with like a comb on the end, and then this. And they got this for you to get it on there. The seal and the glue. This is what I'm happy for. Get my lashes. So it comes with 8 mm, 10 mm, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That's what it looks like. We're about to apply these right now. So I got my mirror, so if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror, and now I'm about to bring y'all up close and personal to my eyes so we can get these on, okay? Y'all see my skin? She's glowing. She's glowing thanks to that Fenty Beauty. All right, so just watch and listen to the music and watch me slay my lashes. My lashes, got lashes, I got the bond, I got the seal, and I don't have a lash curl on. So we about to brush them out like that. The brush is gonna do it. I ain't got no fucking lash. I ain't got no lashes, so this shit, it better work. All right, this is as close as it's letting me get you guys up in my face. So we're gonna do 16, 14, 12. That's like what I get when I get my lashes done, so. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la.
Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money, yeah. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip, I know feet, drive or not. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip, I know. Oluwa God,
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Okay guys, and this is my final look of my lashes, DIY lashes at home. You can do it too. As you're gonna see, in some parts I was struggling. What the hell? You're gonna see in some parts your girl was struggling, but I figured it out and I slayed. I slayed my lashes at home, okay? So, I'm gonna see if there's a link that I can link down below, but if not, I'll give you my TikTok information, and you can definitely go on my TikTok, watch that video, and click the link and get you these lashes. Quick and easy. I know for a fact they could be done in 10 minutes. Because once you figure out the first eye, you got the other eye, 1, 2, 3. I just did the fan just in case it was going to burn, but no, it did not burn, and I love that for myself because, yeah, I don't like my eyes burning. But, guys, these are definitely about to be my new go-to. It's the holiday time. Get you your lashes, pop them on, and save you a coin. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, you already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And, yeah, I see you guys next time. Bye.